Maybe 180 is also, I don't know.
60 रन आए ना रे 120 बॉल में 180 मार सकते हैं.
No, if you bowl wicket to wicket, dude, then it's not like.
जब बॉल हम पिच कर रहे हैं ना टप मार रहे हैं ना बॉल बैट पे जब हम फुल डाल रहे हैं ना तब फुल मैक्स परफेक्ट बॉलिंग. कहाँ है मेरा काउंटर?
Just mine.
एक ही है.
Yeah.
तू काउंट कहाँ गए अपने काउंट्स वाले किधर है?
I don't know. I do not have it. Which end was?
Now they hit ball from that end.
Okay.
Fast bowler's ball is
Yeah, yeah. Away from you. Little more. Yeah, that's middle. I think this is why, this is probably the reason I think they will rely on the batsman to walk. I mean, yeah, if he heard that, that's fine, but it was not bad for sure, because I didn't feel that at all.
the captain, they are all saying they heard, probably.
No, they might have heard the noise. It was not the bat. It probably would have grazed the pad, or even bat would have grazed the ground. I'm not sure, but it was not bat for sure, because you will feel that nicks. Usually,
You would walk, right? If it is.
I did walk. Yeah, last match, if you remember the keeper catch, I did walk. I don't
That's what
stand.
The captain came and said, I would have walked if it is noise. I said, I don't know whether it hit.
That's fine. That's fine. I mean, these things are anyway in border. It's all right.
That bowler bowling for first time. पहली बार बॉल कर रहे हैं आपके लिए.
Yeah, he's playing first time in the He was playing in another or fifth league. He just joined in the club. That's the bowling career.
Bye. दो trump card लेकर आए नरेन आज.
I think over से top.
सब छोड़ दे. ठीक है? Same tackle. Right arm.
Yeah. Right arm over, Ranjit.
Bhayam, yes. That is it, baby. Anda Bhayam. One more. The pressure, man. See the pressure. Come on, Kare. Here I bhai. Bad में edge लग रहा है. What a ball, man. What a ball. जाएगा, baby. जाएगा. साला अब खोलो.
You'll have to play forward, Ranjit. आगे खेलो. Don't go back, because if you go back, you're stuck there, because this guy is bowling wicket to wicket. It's not coming. So go forward and play this guy. It's okay. Huh? No. It was going down.
Like.
Yeah. It was height as well.
तो रोक लो थोड़ा भी हट गया.
हमें वही रोकने के लिए देखा. वो बहुत पेस आ गया.
वही है फर्स्ट ये बंदे का बॉल कैसे डाल रहा है.
Swing हो जा रहा है.
Hey, you can play him here. It's not like you can't play
Play
him.
on front foot.
Just play on the front foot. That's it. He's bowling on the stumps. That's it. All you have to do is just cover it and hit properly. If you can connect, you can hit.
You see how hard Bouncy was, yeah? Come on, let's go.
Tell him, Ranjit. Away from you. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೂರು. ಯಾ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಗ್. ಇವೊಂದೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾವನೆ. ಏನೋ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಆಡು, ಹಿಂದೆ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಡ. ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ನುಗ್ಗುತ್ತೆ.
Raju, mid wicket, behind, swing थोड़ा पीछे रहे,
ಇವನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀನು
थोड़ा सा पीछे से कर ना, walk लेके आ Raju.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಿಂದ ನಿಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. That's over.
विकेट था तेरा, बॉल पंच कर गया, मिडिल स्टंप टूटता, मिडिल स्टंप टूटता करिए ना, मिडिल स्टंप.
That's actually good what you're doing. Moving. That is good.
Because he is totally
Correct,
going inside,
correct.
right? They will
What you're
get
doing
some
is right.
confused.
Yeah, yeah. You guys got a couple of good trump cards. Huh? You didn't bowl them earlier.
It was a trick.
When you feel relaxed.
Yeah.
It's coming, boys. It's coming. This is it. Ravi Teja, take a catch. There is a reason people are standing here. Actually, stoppage is there, straight is there. Good job, boys. Good job. That's it. That's it.
After the over, they'll update.
Wicket.
No, that's fine. Even that is after the overs, right?
No, not this wicket.
The previous one, is it? Ah, okay.
Already 3, so I thought.
All right. Yeah, 3.
Come on, Pranjot, this is yours as well. Yours as well.
ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೊಂದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.